Vertical integration is a strategy where a company expands its control over different stages of its supply chain, either by moving backward to own suppliers and raw materials or moving forward to control distribution and retail outlets. This approach helps businesses reduce costs by cutting out middlemen and improving efficiency, while also enhancing product quality through direct oversight. It gives companies more control over pricing, branding, and the overall customer experience, which can boost profit margins. Additionally, vertical integration can create a strong competitive edge by limiting other companies' access to key resources or markets. However, while these benefits are significant, the strategy can also pose risks to flexibility and profitability, which we will consider alongside real-world examples as we continue. The image you see here, with interconnected gears held by multiple hands, symbolizes how different parts of the supply chain work together smoothly when a business integrates vertically, driving value and coordination. Vertical integration has some notable downsides. It demands a high capital investment since acquiring suppliers or distributors requires significant funds. It can also reduce flexibility, making it harder to respond quickly to market changes or switch suppliers when needed. Managing operations across different stages adds complexity and increases risk, which can lead to inefficiencies if not handled properly. Sometimes, integrated units become cost centers instead of profit drivers. There are also regulatory risks because vertical integration may attract scrutiny under antitrust or competition laws in certain markets. Looking at real-world examples, Apple's approach to vertical integration, by controlling hardware, software, and retail, has helped it create a seamless customer experience and build strong brand loyalty. Similarly, Amazon's integration into logistics, cloud services, and retail contributed to its dominant market position. On the other hand, Ford's early 20th century attempt to control its supply chain, including rubber plantations and railroads, became too complex and costly, leading to divestment. Quaker Oats' acquisition of Snapple also failed because of cultural mismatches and poor execution, resulting in a significant financial loss. Success with vertical integration usually depends on a strong strategic fit, meaning it should align with long-term company goals like cost leadership or market control rather than just increasing size, and solid financial strength, as this strategy demands substantial capital and reliable cash flow to be sustainable. Managing multiple stages of the value chain increases complexity, so success relies heavily on strong process management, adopting the right technology, and having expertise in supply chain operations. Vertical integration tends to work best in industries where demand is stable, supply is predictable, and supplier or buyer power is limited, because volatile markets can make integration riskier. Cultural alignment is also critical, especially when acquiring suppliers or distributors, as differences in culture can cause inefficiencies or failure, as seen in cases like Quaker Oats and Snapple. Technology plays a crucial role, too. Systems need to be seamlessly integrated across production, logistics, and retail to avoid bottlenecks. Compliance with regulations is necessary, as vertical integration can attract antitrust scrutiny, so companies must stay within competition laws. Flexibility and scalability matter as well. Integrated operations should be adaptable to changing markets, but over-integration can reduce flexibility and increase fixed costs. Strong leadership and clear governance structures are essential to manage diverse operations efficiently and maintain accountability. Finally, the customer experience should improve through better pricing, quality, and service, otherwise, integration risks becoming an expensive mistake. Overall, vertical integration can provide control and competitive advantage but requires careful planning, significant investment, and effective management to ensure it aligns with long-term goals. To wrap up, it's important to remember that while vertical integration can create stronger control over the supply chain and potentially increase shareholder value, it also comes with challenges that must be carefully managed. Companies need to weigh the benefits against the costs, such as the significant investments required and the added complexity in operations. Success depends on having skilled management and the right technology to handle these complexities effectively. By understanding both the advantages and risks, businesses can make more informed decisions about how to pursue vertical integration as a part of their overall strategy.